To start with.
Oh, that's nice. You're being nice to me this week.
I'm always nice.
I get to start. Before we go into it, coming out on the Gleaner this morning, we're hearing that a fire has impacted a section of Westwood High School. It has been ablaze, and we just want to say that everybody is safe. We have no injuries, but the fire brigade is there. They're working with it. No injuries, as I said, and the fire fighters say that they have the situation under control.
Londilo went to Westwood.
Yes, and I've done some work at Westwood. A beautiful school, beautiful girls.
If Londa was there still, I would have said she probably had something.
That's why she's nice and she's a nice lady. She's a lady because she went to Westwood. But I just do want to say though, so we all know Westwood is in Falmouth, Trelawney. Sorry, Stewarttown, but the firefighters, sorry, Stewarttown, let me get it right. The firefighters from Falmouth and Brownstone and St. Anne's Bay took all of them, had to come in to try and put out the fire. It started in the kitchen section of the school, which offers boarding arrangement to students. So you do know that they live on the compound, and so it happened in the middle of the night, but they're all okay, so we're glad.
A couple of days ago, the high school ranking came out.
Yes.
And Westwood did very, very well. The all-girls schools did brilliantly. And my school dropped from 20 to 27, which me not like. But we're...
You said because he's there? No.
Eh? No, if I was there, it would be number one.
How do they rank these schools? It's by your...
How many CSEC, how many students who sit CSEC get at least 5 passes, which include math and English. Okay. So Campion is one...
Is Campion number one?
2, yeah. But in the top 10, I think there's 7 all-girls schools.
I was just about to ask
Woolmer's is at number 9. Woolmer's Boys is at number 9. So even though we're 27, we're the 4th best all-boys school behind Woolmer's, Monroe, Kingston College.
Monroe's in the top 10?
No.
Really?
No, Monroe is 21, KC 22, we're 27. So we're the 4th best.
So the 4 girls schools. I need to look at this.
In the top,
Immaculate.
In the top,
Westwood.
in the top 10, there is. I think Montego Bay girls. They're Westwood. Good. Immaculate.
Hold on, you went on that side. You see the parachute, you start over on that side. 2 in the top 10 on that side of town.
But it's online. You can find it easily. But
well, congratulations to all.
Yeah. All right, let's deal with some hot topics here. Minister of Justice, he said it's going to cost the government $7 billion to complete all major aspects of justice reform by 2020. $7 billion with a B. He says that the Justice Undertakings for Social Transformation program will continue to strengthen the judiciary through training, development of manuals and improvements to the system. So that's a whole lot of money, but it is certainly important, isn't it?
It is important. We do need justice reform, and going on now across the globe where North Korea has lashed out at the U.S. after it conducted joint bomber drills with the South Korean Air Force, accusing it of reckless provocation. Pyongyang described the exercise, which involved the B-1B bombers, as a nuclear bomb-dropping drill that made nuclear war more likely. North Korean state media described U.S. President Donald Trump as a warmonger. So we're going to keep our eyes open there. But Trump says nobody is safe from North Korea. Oh boy. All right, so that's what's going on there. And going on across the world, we continue with this one about the quadruplets who have been accepted to 59 colleges. Their names are Nigel, Zachary, Aaron, and Nick Wade, 18-year-old quads and seniors at Lakota East High School in Butler County, Ohio. They were accepted to the 59 colleges this year, but hold on. All of them received offers from Duke, Yale, and Harvard.
Yep.
But due to the brothers' tight bond, they decided that this fall, all 4 would attend Yale together. However, it was a big deal for them because one of them wanted to attend another school and felt a little bit torn, but the special financial aid that they were offered from Yale made them stick together. And of course, they're going to stick together.
Fantastic.
But congratulations to them.
All right, so Campion Immaculate, Montego Bay, for girls, Montego Bay High School for girls.
Champion is at what, the top?
Number 1, 100%.
So you tell him say 21 there.
No.
That's not what you said?
No, I said Monroe. You asked me about Monroe.
Oh, sorry.
Champion is 100%. Immaculate is 99.99%, and they came second. Montego Bay High School for girls, 3rd. Westwood, 4th. Hampton, 5th. St. Andrew High, 6th. Woolmer's girls, 7th. St. Hilda's High, 8th. Manning's 9th, and Woolmer's 10th. So in the top 10, Immaculate girls, Montego Bay girls, Westwood girls, Hampton girls, St. Andrew girls, Woolmer's girls, St. Hilda's girls. So
no.
That's 7
you see,
in the top 10.
And I'm going to say this on a day like today. A lot of times we're looking at programs, and when we talk about gender equity and the development of gender equality, them conversation, I always say to people, it's good to strengthen the girls, and we need to, because most of the homes are female-led. But when you look at this, when it goes in, when you're looking at education and looking at development at the top of the food chain in the organizational structure within business, we have to consider the women are leading, and then we have to look at what's happening to our men, in the homes, what's happening to our men in the society, and we need to focus a lot more programs, I believe, on our young men. But you see that?
All right.
Wow.
Birthday times.
Who's
belated birthday greeting to my godson, Bradley.
You have
Jacks.
another god picnic?
Plain tell him. Bradley Jacks. Bradley, I hope you had a great day, son. He goes to the University of the West Indies, former high school cricketer at Kingston College, and my godson, as I said yesterday also, the St. George's College sixth former Paul Young was his birthday yesterday. Paul Young Jr. Greetings coming from your mom, Anne-Marie, and of course from me. Yesterday, our producer, Keon.
It was Keon's birthday?
It was Keon's birthday.
And I didn't know I would have brought something.
Yeah, she's 67 today, Keon Vaz.
Happy birthday, Keon.
Happy birthday, Keon. You don't look anything like 67. You look 65, to be honest. You don't look 67. And today is the 31st anniversary to Chiquita and Martin Blackwood. Martin Blackwood is the general manager at the Portland Credit Union, and Mrs. Blackwood is a teacher at Christiana High, and he says he loves you like crazy. I mean, the greeting came from your husband all the way from Portland, but no, he's not around right now, so the 31st anniversary. Brilliant stuff. I hope you both have a brilliant day, and I wish you at least 31 more. So there you go. You got none?
I do, but as we go through birthdays, I have to tell you this conversation about schools. Mr. Rayan Simpson has just messaged me to say I should big up Belmont Academy, and I will, because I have been their most improved school this year.
Jumped like 39 spots or something like that.
They did. Congratulations. And to all the schools and high schools, and I've been to so many across the island, like every parish, all of you, and I just want to congratulate you all for trying and doing your best. I know a lot of you are working very hard, and don't make it put you off because you're not in the top 10. Okay, not everybody's going to be in the top 10. Happy birthday. Who do I have? I have a birthday.
Hurry up.
Oh gosh, why are you always hurrying me? Happy birthday to Carlando Young. Happy birthday to you from Latoya and Lloyd Jones and their godfather Ron, Uncle Richie, Maxine, and friends. Yeah, happy birthday. And to all the children born today in state care, foster homes, children's homes, you know who you are. You're born today. Do know that I got a special love for you, and I want to make sure that you know that you are worth something. Have a great day. Look in the mirror and just love you up. Even if nobody's telling you they love you today, do know that I love you, Television Jamaica loves you, and Uncle Neville loves you.
Why may I tell you this woman frightened me every minute?
Happy
may I tell you
birthday.
that?
Why do I do that?
I don't know. You're going to give me a heart attack.
begin.